I'm a computer science student, and I'm also involved in several coding communities. I'm going to do a review of how to use Leantime IO for project management. Leantime.io. It's intended to be useful for people with ADHD or other neurodivergence. And I really appreciate the software. So I'm really interested in this open source project, and so that's why I'm doing this. This is the dashboard. I'm going to create a new project. So this is the dashboard. And if I want to create a new project, I will go to Start Something New. Launch your endeavor. Let's start with a new project. And the title I'm going to give it is Workshop. How about Tech Interviews Workshop? And what will it be? Where will it be? What will your company be? What will it impact? So I'll just say, how about this is a good time to start using AI. So let me open up my AI tool and split my screen. So on the right side, I'm going to keep my Leantime IO up. And on the left side, I am going to use ChatGTP. A way I can improve this workflow is starting to use Smiling Face. So Smiling Face is an open source, if you didn't know, an open source, free to use AI tooling, a database and software. So so I'd like to move over to Smiling Face as soon as I have a few minutes to learn it. What is the impact with the project? Okay, so then project details. Let's type in here Tech Interview Workshop. There we go. Let's see what AI. Impact Tech Interview Workshop, empowering participants for success. Yeah, that sounds good. Copy. We're going to say it's empowering. The point of the project is to empower participants for success. That works for now. So it's going to walk me through now all the steps for setting up the project. And I'll flip back and forth between AI and Leantime. I would love for, so I got a clipboard right here. So basically what I want the project to be about is, this project to be about. On Leantime, I want to manage a project. The managed project will be include leading a workshop, building and leading a workshop, and building presentation slides over algorithms and data structures. So I'm going to use these 2 points to build out the entire project, but it would be great because I'm going to be going back and forth between AI for this. So it would be great if I could just like put those 2 things into here and then into like a box, and then it spit out like, or it automatically automates all of these steps for me. So that way, then I can just go through the steps and kind of change and tweak things as I want. So it is Leantime is an open source project, so that would be really cool if I could suggest that. And but anyway, description of the project. So what Leantime.io does is it walks me through how to set up each stage of the process, or each part of the project. So it says describe your project. So there's a bunch of check marks that I can go through and do each step. So let me go ahead and do some of the steps with you. A well-defined project description helps everyone on the team understand the work and the goals to work towards. So it says take me there. So I'll hit take me there, and I can fill out this this part of the project management tool. What are you trying to accomplish? So let me go ahead and go back to the clipboard. This is what I'm trying to accomplish. Create my goals. I'm trying to build a workshop and presentation slides over algorithms and data structures. Copy. And then I'm gonna go to my AI. Yes, I'm gonna do that. And then it says, what are you trying to accomplish? So I could say I'm trying to accomplish building a team, leading a workshop, and building presentation slides, but I'm going to use AI to kind of help me and kind of be like a sounding board for what I'm trying to say. What am I trying to accomplish? Command B. And I'm just gonna paste the, but this sounds so much better than just leading a workshop and building a presentation slide on algorithms and data structures. What AI was able to do is take those 2 points and expand on them. So I'm gonna use this description, copy, and obviously if I were setting this up for a real project, I would be talking with people about these details. I'd be editing it based on the specific project that I'm working on. But for demonstration purposes, I will just Control V, paste it into there, and save it. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to project overview. And I'll hit this little arrow below it. And I'm going to go to the next point on the checklist, invite your team. So if I had a team I was working on, obviously I would invite the team. But I'm just going to put the little check mark in. Define your project blueprint. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward, and I will slow down whenever there's a point that I need to talk about. So I'm just going to put in 2 customer segments for this project, but there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that are suggested by AI. So I would put 7 customer segments here. But for this purpose, the purposes of this video, I'm going to continue to problem and solution, and I'll go ahead and fast forward through that so you can watch me do it. All right, so by the end of it, you'll have a to-do list, milestones and goals all set up, and you will be ready to get started on your project. You'll be able to use the dashboard to get the project done.